Hey, what's up everybody? I wanted to do a quick walkthrough of this catalytic converter that I took out of a 2005 Maxima with the 3.5 liter V6. This is apparently the front catalytic converter, or the right side. This is the one that came out. So looking at the front of the car, it would be the one on the front of the engine behind that heat shield right here. So let me get up under there and show you where it is and talk about what it was to get it out of there. That plugs into the exhaust pipe with 3 studs and nuts. I had to remove the studs from the stock one and put them onto the new one. The new one did not come with a heat shield bolt holes, so I'm gonna have to go without. And then up here you can see where it mounts up to the manifold with 4 bolts and then studs with nuts from the top. So you have to get 2 nuts from the top and then the bolts from the bottom. So that should get it done. I'm about to finish tightening this one up and then it should be done. So hopefully this helps anybody out that's looking for some guidance on this, because I couldn't find anything. So thanks for watching.